Hi, I'm Clinton from the EasyDIYseries.com. We're about to build a kitchen. Doesn't matter if you're pulling out an old one, putting in a new one, or you're just converting a laundry to a kitchen, like this example today, or it's merely a room that you want to make into a kitchen. The principles are all the same. What I highly suggest is that you manage your installation as a project. And this is because as a project, you'll ensure that you meet your expectations at the end and you'll get what you want. You'll also make sure that you don't spend more money than you would do if you just jumped into it and didn't manage it as a project. So really what we're going to do for this project, when you break it into stages, first stage being plan, second stage being buy the parts, third stage being do the actual work, and obviously you have to celebrate at the end for all your hard work. So let's get going with the first stage. So the first stage is called plan. You've got to plan your kitchen. You should never underestimate how important planning is in a kitchen. What they say is 2/3 planning and 1/3 actually doing the job. So how do we actually go about designing our kitchen? There's two main ways. The first one is many stores provide a software program, a modeling program, which steps you through, and the output is a 3D modeling file which you'll actually take with you to the store. The second method is you can just do it on a basic piece of grid paper or normal paper, draw your design. So what is really important when designing your kitchen? You need to know firstly how big is the space that you're designing your kitchen for. You need to know how high it is, floor to roof. You need to know how wide it is, wall to wall. You need to know how deep it is. And also what's very important, you need to know the location of your existing windows and doors. The second very important point is where are your utilities? Where's your electricity and where's your plumbing? So in this example, we've got the electricity here, we've got the plumbing there. A very big tip is that you can save money just by leaving the utilities where they are. So design your appliance and your sink in your new kitchen where the utilities are today. And then you don't need your electrician or your plumber to come in. They just need to merely connect up the parts. Another important point is you need to decide what cabinets you're going to use. So here are a variety of cabinets which you need to consider for your design. We have our wall cabinets. You have different types of base cabinets. You've got drawer style base cabinets, and you've got your wastewater tap under your sink. This is where your sink's going to go. And you even get types of cabinets which are just door fronts that can fit onto dishwasher style or appliance type cabinet doors, so it looks fully integrated into the kitchen design. And then you also get your appliance type cabinets where you get your different size ovens and microwave box, but these obviously come in different sizes, different styles to suit your needs and the appliances that you've purchased. So one of the most important points when designing your kitchen is your finish, because your finish is visual. So you need to decide what type of finish you want. So there are many different finishes that you can get. You can get a polyurethane, you can get a vinyl wrap, which is this one. It's the type of finish. You can get plain wood, and you can just get basic laminate. You also need to decide what color you want. This is a high gloss white that I'm using in this kitchen today. Now when designing your bench top, you need to consider the type. Once again, there are a few different types. You can get granite, you can get stone, you can use solid wood, and in this case this is a high gloss scratch resistant laminate, which actually looks quite nice considering it's one of the cheaper options. Your splashback is obviously another important point to consider. So what are you going to put as your splashback in your kitchen? So many people put tiles, some people just paint it. In this kitchen what we're going to use is an acrylic type splashback, which I will actually cut myself, and I will put it across and around the sink area. And I guess at the same time you need to then consider what type of tapware you're going to use. So are you going to be reusing the same taps that you have already, or are you going to buy some more modern taps? So I'll just be replacing the fronts of the taps to something a little more modern.